you can reset and go to this one so that you only see access and this one. So you put pressure on the Y and put down here. So the good of variable always goes, if you have it, goes on x-axis. So you say okay. So give it a moment, and there we are. So this is what we have now. Box and Whisker plot. This is median values, that the pressure for control is lower than the pressure for CSI, and these are outliers. Whatever you see, that the observation number 11 is an outlier for SCI, and observation number 10 is an outlier for control. And so we said if the outliers, the best summary measure of data set is median compared to the mean. Now the other question is, are these median statistically different or not? Yeah, this is median. This upper part here is called the upper quartile. This value here is lower quartile. This upper whisker has an upper hinge, and this is lower whisker has a lower hinge. This is also for the SCI. This one is upper hinge for the upper whisker, and this lower hinge for the lower whisker. So once one box plot overlaps into the other, or is overlapped by the other, it's most probable that the medians are not statistically different. For example, if this box for control was allowed to move horizontally, it would hit this one with this SCI, and the same, and vice versa. This one moved, it would also hit, meaning there is overlapping. So what we are saying is that overlapping is something like this. It is something like this. You have this, this is one box, this is, let's say, for group 1, and you have another box here for group 2. So such a scenario. So if this moved, it would not hit this one, and if this moved this direction, it would not hit for group 1. So these ones, chances are high that their medians are statistically different. This is how we analyze box and Whisker plots. SPSS is considered to be the best in drawing box and Whisker plots, because it can show us outliers, but more so extreme outliers marked by stars. An example here is if, for example, in our data set, for example, data variable, if, for example, we added here 200 for group 2, and we draw a box and Whisker plot. This 200 is too big, so if we draw 200, let us say 300, and we attempt to draw a box and Whisker